Yeah, Mr. Reuter Plumbing, this is Gwen.
Yeah, is this Mr. Reuter?
Yes, it is.
Mr. Reuter, you sound like a woman.
I am a woman.
Oh, I like your voice.
Oh, thank you.
It's kind of attracting. By the way, my friend, he has a problem with his toilet.
Okay.
Do you think you guys can help me out?
Yeah, absolutely, definitely.
Oh my gosh, that's so horny. I love your voice. Alright, it's clogged with paper tissues, shit.
Okay, can I start with your phone number, please?
Wait, pardon me?
Can I start with the phone number, please?
Our phone number is 416.
Yep.
494. 494.
Yes.
6275. 647-494-6275. Sorry, I had some glitch.
Yeah, that's no problem.
It's really annoying. It smells like shit. We just had to flood it and...
Oh, wow. Yeah, I can imagine it's not very pleasant there. Okay, 6275. Okay, and you said this was for your friend?
Yeah, I'm in his house.
Okay, so your friend will be the one paying?
Yes, he'll be paying.
Okay, wonderful. What's your friend's name?
His name is Jonathan. Jonathan! Jonathan!
Yeah!
Where's your address?
45 Red Dick
Yeah.
Boulevard.
He just happened, and then like it just clogged up. Like there's meatballs everywhere. We had like it was crazy. Do you think you? I don't think. Are you sure you guys can handle this? Because I have like.
Oh yeah, we can definitely do that. That's no problem.
Is Mr. Reuter a real person?
Is Mr. Reuter a real person? I'm not actually sure. I just started here. I'm new, so
Oh my God,
idea.
you sound so sexy. It's not even a joke.
Okay, so what's John's last name?
My name is Jonathan Roberts.
Robert?
Yep, Jonathan Roberts.
Okay, and what's the address there?
It's 45 Red Dick Boulevard.
Can you spell that, please?
445.
Yeah, 45. Yeah, I got that.
Red Dick.
Okay, so RIDDICK.
Yep, Boulevard.
Okay, Boulevard. What's the major intersections there?
It is Keel and Wilson.
Okay.
Oh wait,
What?
wait 1 second. Nothing. That's alright.
Okay, no problem. Okay, that's... what's the postal code there?
Oh my God. Oh my God. No, 1 second. Oh my God. Damn it. Yo, does bleach work? Oh my God, it's coming out. Oh my God.
Okay, I wouldn't suggest putting anything down that right now.